In this video, you'll learn how to create autonomous tasks using Kimi AI. By following these steps, you will set up automated processes that can enhance your task management efficiency. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you will see the interface for Kimi AI, which has a clean layout designed for user interaction. Next, locate the prompt area on the main screen. This is typically positioned prominently, allowing for easy access. Click in the prompt space to activate it. You should notice a cursor blinking, indicating that the field is ready for input. Now, type the phrase "create autonomous tasks" for task management into the prompt field. Ensure that you enter the text exactly as stated to achieve the desired outcome. After typing, review your input to confirm there are no typos, as this can affect the results. After confirming your input, click on the Enter button to submit your request. This button is generally located adjacent to the prompt field. Once you click it, you should see a visual indication that your input is being processed, such as a loading icon or an animation. Wait for Kimi AI to generate the autonomous tasks. This may take a moment depending on the complexity of your request. You will know the generation is complete once the results appear on your screen. Look for a confirmation message or the generated tasks displayed in a new section of the interface. Be mindful that the time taken for generation may vary based on server load and your internet speed. If you experience delays, check your connection and ensure that your internet is stable. Additionally, if you're working on a large project, consider breaking down your tasks into smaller components for easier management. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.